Hello students, lecture 110. In this video lecture we will start a new chapter, that is the print culture, chapter 6. In print culture chapter basically we will discuss all those aspects that how did print or the printed text material, books, magazines, newspapers, periodicals which we are reading today have come to us, and what was the system of writing and reading before this printed culture or the print culture. In this we will start from the first printed books, first article, second print in Japan, and third print comes to Europe. So these three articles we will discuss in this video lecture. So the first printed books. First printed books were first printed in China, Japan and Korea. China, Japan and Korea developed the earliest kind of print technology, and it was a system of hand printing. It was a system of hand printing. There was no technology used for writing or printing these books. They were printed by rubbing paper from AD 594, and both the sides of the books were folded and stitched, and these books were called accordion books. These books were called accordion books. This rubbing was basically done with the wood block printing. The letters were engraved in woods and they were rubbed on the paper to one side, because paper being porous, rough, the ink blotted to other side, so only one side could be printed. China for a long time was the major producer of printed material. China had been the largest producer of printed material from 594 AD onwards, and China started conducting civil service examination for its bureaucrats, and its textbooks were printed in vast number for this. For the first time, examination paper, question paper were also printed in China for their civil service examination. Print was no longer confined to scholar officials. It was not used by the scholars, by the students, by examination candidates, but merchants used this print system for collecting their trade information, advertising about their trade. And now reading became the part of leisure activity, that people started reading in their spare time, and rich women started publishing their own poetry and plays and their daily life experiences, and many assertive women wrote about their husbands, about their offices and the office life. This new reading culture attracted the new technology. When demand increased, technology also started improving. In 19th century, later on in 19th century, the Western printing techniques and mechanical presses were started developing. So this was the brief information about earliest kind of print in China, Japan and Korea. Now, how did print develop in Japan? Print in Japan started basically again with the hand print technology, was introduced by Buddhist missionaries. In Japan, the hand printing technology was introduced by Buddhist missionaries from China to Japan around 768 to 770 AD. 768 to 770 AD. The Buddhist Diamond Sutra is the first or the oldest Japanese book which was printed in AD 868. This was the first Japanese book, that is Buddhist Diamond Sutra. This is important for 1 mark. This contained 6 sheets of text and wood cut illustrations. Illustration means designs, print, and for decorating books, etc. Printing of visual material led to the interesting publishing practices. In late 19th century, the illustrative collections of painting depicted an elegant urban culture, beautiful urban culture, that how people live in cities and towns, and libraries and books and the bookstores were full with hand printed material of various types, like books on women, musical instrument, etc. So this is how the earliest kind of print was developed in Japan. Now next is print comes to Europe. How did print come to Europe? Marco Polo, who was in China around 1295, who returned to Italy and carried the wood block print technology along with him. And later on, the European, especially in Italy, the Europeans used wood block printing at the large. But the production of handwritten manuscripts could not satisfy the ever increasing demand for books, because handwriting or hand printing, it was a time consuming, expensive. Since handwriting was not easily to understood, people wrote in calligraphic writing, beautiful stylish writing, so it was difficult for understanding and reading. Europe widely started wood blocks. Then when Marco Polo carried the wood block technology around 1295, then wood block printing technology was used, and with this playing cards, religious pictures, brief text, fabric cloth printing, currency note printing, etc. were used. And then by 1430s, the Johann Gutenberg developed the first non-printing press. Johann Gutenberg at Strasbourg, Germany, developed the first mechanical printing press. So Johann Gutenberg is known as the father of the printing presses. Johann Gutenberg is known as the father of the printing presses. So this is what is the print technology which came to Europe and expanded further. So that's all in this video. Keep on reading, and this is a very interesting chapter, because in this we will not only discuss things for the examination point of view, but I'll let you know in what way the things developed, how the present day the fastest mechanism of printing developed, and daily an outpouring literature, a large number books, magazines, and different kind of text material is reaching to in large number to the readers. Now this is another concept, that earlier readers used to go to book because books were limited, readers were more. But now it has a total change. Now books are reaching to the readers because the books are printed, published in large number. So thank you very much. Keep on watching, reading, and understanding.